BrandKIDS PREFERRED. Toy figure type stuffed toy. ColorMulticolor. MaterialCotton. Assembly RequiredNo. Model NameKP Cuddle Pal, Chill Pal Cool to be Kind ice cream cone. Cool and Cuddly. Cuddle Pals presents super soft, cute, and adorable stuffed animals that are made with cool to the touch fabric on one side and fuzzy plush on the other. Hugging Pillow. Chill Pals are coolable plush animals that ease tense muscles and help you cool off on hot nights. It's the perfect birthday gift or get well soon idea. Machine washable. 15.5 inches by 10 inches. Best Buddy. Children of all ages will love this original toy for play, naps, soothing boo-boos. Youth love to read and sleep with this cozy creature. Babies and toddlers will adore their new friend. Stuffed with love. Chill Pals are squishy, super soft, hug pillow plush animals that your child will cherish. Its soft marshmallow, like body makes it a comfy, cozy, lovable friend. Squishy soft. Filled with cloud soft stuffing for a wonderful, huggable feel. Chill Pals are a collection of amazingly soft stuffed animals always ready to snuggle as comforting companions. Top reviews from the United States. Plush. My kids love these things.